Hi there, folks. Gather around because today I've got a story that might just change the way you see things forever. Imagine a group of Cherokee children all huddled together, eyes wide with curiosity. They were eager to hear a lesson from their wise old grandfather. That day, a conflict had erupted between two adults, and the grandfather was asked to mediate. One of the children, puzzled by what had happened, asked, "Grandfather, why do people fight?" The old man smiled gently and said, "Well, do you know, my child, we all have two wolves inside us. They live in our chest, and these wolves are constantly fighting each other." The children's eyes grew even wider. "In our chests too, grandfather?" asked another child. The grandfather nodded and said, "Yes, and in my chest too." He had their full attention now. "There is a white wolf and a black wolf," he continued. "The black wolf inside us is filled with fear, lies, anger, envy, inferiority, sorrow, regret, jealousy, greed, ego, lust and arrogance. The white wolf is filled with peace, love, hope, courage, humility, compassion, kindness, empathy, generosity, truth and faith. And do you know there is always a terrible fight between these two wolves? They battle constantly." The room fell silent, the children hanging on his every word. Finally, the grandson, who had asked the initial question, couldn't stand the suspense any longer. "But grandfather, which wolf wins?" he asked. The old Cherokee smiled warmly and replied, "That's simple, the one whom we feed the most. So which wolf will you feed today? Remember, the choice is always yours." Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories like this one. Catch you next time.